Hi guys, I'm here at a cottage by a lake. It's just so beautiful here, and this is part of my series that is coming up on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. But I wanted to come here to let you guys know that I will be in Texas this fall from October 19th to the 22nd, because I will be performing and teaching at the Flaherty's Irish Music Retreat, and it's just an amazing retreat. I've been to it a couple of times when I was living in Texas, and it's just such a great place. There's so many things going on, so many classes, sessions, lunchtime concerts, evening concerts, opportunities to play sessions, meet people, and interact with the teachers and the musicians. It's amazing. Workshops and information talks, and it's just so many things to do, and yet it's still cozy enough and intimate enough so that you can meet connections and people, and you know, get to meet new artists and get to connect with the artists as well and ask questions. And it's just an amazing place. I really enjoy it, and I'm very excited. I will be teaching boron fundamentals. I will be performing with some of the teachers that are coming as guest musicians, and I'm so excited about that. I'm gonna be leading a session with other musicians. I'm gonna be giving a workshop as well. And yeah, I'm just excited to mingle and to play sessions. I think I'm gonna be playing a lot of music. I'm very excited about it. Yeah, so I think it's gonna be a great festival. And I'm very excited to connect again with the people that I met there a few years ago, because I still hold them very dear, and I'm excited to see them, and I'm excited to meet new people also. So if you're around or if you're interested, please look at the website. I'm gonna put it on the comments down below, or on the comment section, and you guys can check it out. And if you're there, let me know, and I would love to have a chat with you guys and play some tunes even. So hopefully we'll see you there. Bye bye.